Let's talk about how you can enhance your lead data using Perplexity AI. And with this automation in n8n, makes it quick and simple for you to capture your lead information online and then have this agent working in the background to use Perplexity to do some research so you don't have to, and it will update the spreadsheet then with information. An example use case, you're collecting lead data online, perhaps from a website or from ads. We grab that lead data and if it's B2B and they're putting in their company website, we can get Perplexity to research and then they give that information, do like a little report for you. Depending on what data or what information you want about your client, we can change the prompts to be able to enrich the data in the way that you want. The way that works in n8n, we've got the lead source. This would be for a form submission. We could embed this on a website. The AI agent, that's going to use the Perplexity tool and ChatGPT to generate the report, to go online, do the research, and then write the report and then send it over. And in this instance, we've got a Google spreadsheet, and what's happening on the sheet is just simple CRM, collect the daytime group, the name, company website, and then this is the part that the AI is going to complete for you. Go online, do the research, and then give you some information about that lead. If you've got a sales team or if you're doing calls from these leads, you can very quickly be notified that you've got a new lead, read through the company research, and you're ready to go. If you want to build along, what I'll do, I'll leave the template. I'll leave a link so you can download this template, save yourself some time. If you want to build along, quite simple. If you're new to n8n, you can find any of these nodes by clicking on here, search the name. First ones, we've got this on form submission. So what's happening here, and we can add different elements. Kept it simple for this demo or tutorial. We've got name, company name, and then the company website. Then we've got the daytime group, and then we've got name, company website. That'll all be populated from that form, and then the AI agent's going to fill this out. Execute this step. Head over to our form. We fill this out. Let's say it's Sam. Now when we submit that, we can see that we've got a little tick, so that information's gone now onto the form. We've got Sam, OpenAI, openai.com, and then we've got time submitted. What's happening on here now, we've got our user message. They're saying, research the following company using the name and website below. And then company name. These green parts are dynamic values, so you can drag those across from there. Now we've got a system message. This is telling our AI agent exactly what it is that we want it to do. We can customize this, like if you, depending on what information that you want the agent to perform, you can customize this system prompt to be able, and you can have it in different formats if there was something specific that you were looking for, something that's important to your sales team, depending on what it is that you're selling. Now this AI agent is a couple of things. First, it needs a brain. So when we connect to chat model, on here I've got OpenAI. You will need an OpenAI account. If you haven't set that up, you click create new credential. Just head over to the OpenAI's website, go into APIs, create an API key and put it in there. If you're completely new and you want to watch a more in-depth tutorial, I can leave a link in the description, or you can check that out on my YouTube channel. You put in your API key, click save, get the green banner saying that connection's successful, and then you can select the model that you want to use. The next tool that so on the tools, we're going to have Perplexity. Again, you're going to need a Perplexity account. If we head over to Perplexity, it's really great research platform. You can do this sort of research in ChatGPT, but Perplexity is really designed for that. You can just play around in the platform. If you want API access, you will need to set that up. You can go over to API. You'll need some credits, but it literally costs pence to you if you wanted to just test it out. Like a couple of dollars to get you started, and then you'll be able to play around, see if it's something that you want to do. Head on to API, create an API key. Come in here, click create new credential. You put in your API key, and you're up and running with that. So we click play on here, set that research agent to work. We see that it's accessing Perplexity now, going online and doing that research. The output from that agent then, OpenAI is an American artificial intelligence research and development company headquarters. We've got our research. Now all we want to do, if you're setting this up, we want to select the append a row in sheet, Google Sheets node. Select the Google Sheet that you want the agent to be update, and then these dynamic values all come from the left, the input side. If you're setting this up, all we need to do is you click on, so let's delete that, give you an example. So we just drag that across, that's the name, that's coming from, you see on here, this is on form submission, that's the name, and we'll just work our way through and drag these costs. So you've got company website, you drag and drop that in there. It's already completed that. Now the company research, this one is the AI research agent's output. We'll literally just drag that across. Now when we click execute step, head over to our spreadsheet, click refresh. Now we have it. The information that the AI agent has done. There's a few other use cases for Perplexity. There's a lot of different things you can do. I'm going to make the videos on those. This is a research agent, so research competition. I'm going to be posting that to the channel soon. Stay tuned for that. And then also, I'm going to do a public relations agent. So this will do research on your company and then email it over. This will be set to run on a schedule, so you can have this once a day or every hour if you wanted. It can be searching online and checking out for things like anyone mentioning your business. It could be monitoring keywords associated with your business. It's all customizable, and then so you can just send you an email report. So if you want to check those videos out, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. The templates are available if you follow the link in the description. The links for those, the templates for those are already on there, and I'll be recording the video shortly. So I hope that helps. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Yeah, like, subscribe, hit notification bell if you found this useful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to me if you got any questions. I'd be happy to help.